Hi, thanks for stopping into Shannon's Wig World, where I bring you with me to style my new wigs. If you're new here, I've been asked by a lot of my wig sisters on how I go about styling my wigs, so I make little videos and I bring you along with me to style my new wigs. So today, I'm going to be styling Beach Wave Magic by TressAllure. So let's get into it. Here she is, straight out the box. I did have some box hair. This was kind of flopping up, but all I did was use my fingers to push it to the side. Okay, I'm gonna show you the cap. Let's show the cap first. Here's her cap, full monofilament, extended lace front into the ear tabs. These are felt ear tabs with stays. She has Velcro adjusters with the extended nape. And she has open wefting, very stretchable. She is an average size cap that will fit 21.5 inches to 23 inches. And let's put her on. A bit of water to fix my box hair up top, but I'm gonna go ahead and comb her out. I'm gonna use the hair dryer to push my bangs back. I don't want them hanging in my face. I'm not a bang girl most of the time. So I'm gonna use my hair dryer to put some heat on these bangs to get them going in the direction that I want them to go. Also use a hair dryer to wake up the fibers and separate them. So they're not sticking together. And I'm going to add volume as I do on all of my wigs. I mean, this looks great. This really looks great, but I like to add volume to mine just to add a little bit more up top. So let me do that. And adding volume, if you haven't seen my videos before or know what the hair dryer trick is, what it does is I use a hair dryer inside the cap on heat, and you heat up the fibers to set them in that position so that gives you a little more height on your cap. So it's 10 seconds heat and then 10 seconds cool, or you just let it cool if you don't want to use the cool shot. And then I'll repeat that twice. So let's go. Okay, I'm gonna put her back on. And this is where you see all the volume. But we're gonna calm it down, I promise. And then I use dry shampoo to help hold in that volume and build more dimension. I'm sorry, this one is dry, TressAllure dry shampoo. It does not matter what kind of dry shampoo you use. You can use any kind. She's looking good, y'all. She's gorgeous. Okay, and then I go in with TressAllure wig wax. This stuff is fabulous, y'all. It is buildable. It does not get sticky. I use it over and over and over again. It does not make you have to wash it every time you use it. You don't even realize, or it doesn't even feel like there's anything there, but it works. It holds your style. Just like hairspray, but it doesn't get sticky like hairspray does. I am loving this. Okay, let's see what the back looks like. Okay, I'm gonna bring y'all outside so you can see this color outside as well. I'm gonna use my magic stick, I call it, but it's called Flash Moment. It's a finishing, it's called finishing stick. This is for all my flyaways. You see these flyaways? The ones in my face drive me crazy, so I use this daily. It is fabulous. It's the only thing I've found that works for flyaways. It's got a little gel in it, and I don't know how it works, but it works is all I can say, because you won't go wrong getting one of these. It comes in a 2-pack, and I keep one in my purse. I bring it with me everywhere I go, and I keep one in here when I get ready. All right, this is her, girls. Do you like her? I love it. Hope y'all have a great day. Have a great hair day. Here's outside. Isn't she gorgeous? I'm very happy with her.